Scouts on every portal, please. Just one scout on every portal. Tell me your name if you're into a portal now.
Portal 1. Portal 2, Heartless. Shit. YZ, tara. Bubusin natin.
Portal 3. I need info on Portal 3. Info
Portal
on Portal 3.
Portal 1 clear.
Okay.
YZ, tayuan mo, pare.
Harmonia, try go.
Heartless on Portal 2.
Heartless
Info on Portal 3, guys. Can someone scout on Portal 3?
Portal 1 is clear.
Yun, nakapasok. Okay, sige lang.
Can someone please scout on Portal 3? Please.
Safe.
Ah.
Okay lang, hanapan mo kami ng regroup spot.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry.
Okay,
Hanapan
thank
ko.
you.
Akong bahala sa inyo.
RPX. Ako hindi ako muna maglalaro. Papahinga ako.
Alright. Guys, you know the drill. I want 2 parties as destruction party.
Ako
I mean, 3 destruction parties, 3 destruction parties, everyone PvE. Dagger boys, I want you to, assassin boys, together with crossbows and great swords, you will be PvP.
Sino kalaban nyo?
Ano tayo is?
Ayan na sila.
Wag mo na.
Portal 2?
Kaya yan.
Portal 2 Heartless. Portal 2 Heartless.
Ano tayo is?
Anong portal?
Knock, guys.
Portal 1 is clear. Portal 1.
Okay. Clear comms. Everyone that wants to PvP, enter Portal 1 now. Everyone that wants to PvP. Hala, naubos! Hoy! Hoy! Pengi kaming PvE!
We need to win.
Okay na yan. Okay. PvPers, Distraction Boys, everyone on 1.
Ang dami na
RG on 1. PvP boys, everyone on 1. Can you start scouting? Start from right.
Puta, may open pa,
Counterclockwise.
pre. Nakapasok pa ako,
Counterclockwise. Do a Zerg. PvP boys, counterclockwise, going to 2, 3, and then going back to 1.
Heartless going Boonstone.
Hey! Ay, Kapitan! Paki-invite si Ivan.
Just keep rotating and reporting. PvE boys,
Andito ba chance? Stars, punta ka lang dito sa Boonstone, tapos pasok ka lang
Dito kayo sa akin.
Click mo yung portal. Click mo yung stone
Ricky.
mismo.
Dito kayo sa akin.
Heartless going Portal 3.
Just click mo yung click mo yan.
Okay, just keep rotating. Don't fight for now.
Kung nakapasok, ibig sabihin puno na. Ayan, nakapasok ka pa. Okay.
Wala kami makita. Saan sila?
Clear.
Portal lang natin sila sa likod.
Don't fight for now. Just keep rotating. Give us info.
Safe yung PvE. Clear yung Portal 1.
Okay, mamaya. Don't enter yet.
Sino
Galing kami doon, walang tao doon.
Sino na expert dito sa Moonlight? Party dapat.
I'm not a PvE gamer, guys. So I stay out.
Siyempre, lahat naman kayo dyan magko-collect pa rin kayo ng clue.
Status.
Hindi ko may magpo-focus ng kukuha.
To clear.
Parehas lang to ng Mana Frenzy. Parehas lang to ng Mana Frenzy.
Hindi tulad ng
Hindi ko alam kung anong
yan.
Hindi,
Kasi
parehas lang.
Isa lang ang deposit dyan. So, pwede nyo mang i-defend yung last
alternate yung deposit pala. Hindi siya always on lahat.
Hindi alternate yan, pare.
No. Not alternate. Isa lang ang tamang clue dyan.
Kailangan yung nakakuha ng wolf dyan sa Lift the Moonlight spell, diba? Just kayo nung kayo magbaturo.
Okay, status destruction party.
Highest clue.
Sige, pagbugbugan na kami. Pwede na kayong sa Portal 1.
Yes.
Portal 1, okay.
Heartless still Portal 3.
Ipunin nyo lang ipunin nyo muna.
Kaya wag kayo matempt. Dito tayo.
PvE on Portal 1. I need more PvE boys, guys.
Dito tayo, likod tayo.
If you want to PvE, go to Portal 1.
Morph. Napalaban si Jack. Wag na lumaban yung iba.
Larka, Rekoy, ba't wala kang
Dito tayo, morph tayo.
Patay yan kay RPX.
Just hold your country. Hold your countries. Don't submit.
Labanan yan.
Uy, pahil. Patay ako.
Quick report to destruction party. We are PvEing around in the middle of Portal 1 and 2. Okay? If I shout back up, please make your way.
We're fighting around Portal 3.
Uy, wala silang damage. Sige na nga, makikigulo nga ako dyan. Tangin, nakangin ako.
I
Ang
need
ano
more
dyan?
PvE, guys.
Overcrowded. I
I need
cannot
more
enter
PvE.
anymore. Enjoy, guys.
Ang maganda dyan sa Lift the Moonlight spell, isa lang ang tamang deposit dyan. So kahit patagalin nyo yan, ma-defend nyo yung isang point na yon, tas hindi sila makadeposit doon, sure panalo kayo.
Okay. Ito yung plan na. Mag-gather muna kayo. Hanggang sa lumitaw yung pinaka-obvious clue. Tapos yung de-defend.
Okay.
Anong
Just
server
keep
yung
on
kalaban
PvE
niyo?
for now.
Quality Kirsty.
Okay guys, I'm direct command to destruction party. If any one of you dies, I want you to PvE. If you die, go to Portal 1 and PvE.
Gagi, ba't wala lumaki damage pang...
Again, if you die, even if you're in a
Ayun ang mga
PvP party,
nagsasubmit. Sarap sa
don't
mga
submit, don't
nagsasubmit.
submit, don't submit.
Hindi, ayun. Patayin natin mga nagsasubmit.
So ang possible gawin ng kalaban yan is mag-submit sila sa mga iba-iba para lang ma-sure na meron silang submission, pero walang kwenta yun in the end.
Oo nga, yun nga din yung ginagawa siguro nila.
Ito sumusugod.
Ito, yung konti lang. Tara.
Ito.
Tara.
Dalawin niyo ako, oy.
Favor on PvP guys. Kung may papatayin kayo pa report saan malapit para makapag-adjust kami.
Portal 3. Dito sila, marami sila dito.
Portal 3 doon nagkawala. Doon
Asa si Jack?
Nandito sa may,
Kompleto tayo.
marami sa Boonstone na part. Dito sila.
Asa si Zane? Tara. Ito. Tara guys.
Guys, don't deliver. Just stock up on points, please. I'm seeing 27 submissions. We aren't even sure where to submit yet.
Tayo na maubusan ka na naman na, RPX.
Kaya nga eh. Di pa ako
Dito tayo, guys. Ito, dalawa. Dito tayo mag-umpisa. Zane.
Karnina yan.
Alamin ko yung
Nice.
Ay na, may loan tayo. Lalanagin natin yun.
Likod tayo. Jack, nandun ka sa harap.
Nagilutin ka
Dito
na.
tayo, likurin natin. Dito tayo sa likod. Ito, sa bridge.
Tayo na lang pala dito. Wala na tayo kasama.
Nice.
Hindi tayo mapatay eh.
Namatay na ako.
If you die PvE.
Ito lang tayo, may loan mo silang pumunta dito. Guluhin natin sila.
Nice kill.
Better to have a bigger Zerg here than our people running around. Wala naman yatang big hitters sa kalaban natin eh.
Assassin. Come here.
Mali.
Meron akong
Try
debo.
mo na i-heal melon yung mga...
Meron akong debo. Dito tayo sa likod ni Hades. Dito tayo sa likod ni Hades. Tugod na agad. Tara.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Info
Ingat kayo,
Ace.
Nagkakalasa na sila dito sa Portal 3.
Wala nang tao dito ha.
Wala pang clue.
Naubos na yung mga
Don't
tao.
submit yet guys. We don't have the clue yet. Don't submit yet. Just keep on hoarding. We're in it for the Lucent guys.
Tank yan. Ito, hindi tank. Yung hinabol ko, hindi tank to.
We need backup on Portal 2. We need backup on Portal 2.
May nakita akong
PvP.
43.
Si Jack
May nakita
mamamatay.
akong 43, guys. May
Need
nakita
backup
akong
on need Portal 2 guys. Need backup near Portal 2.
Sino 51?
Growing
Cover?
Need backup. Some people here, not a lot.
1 hour away.
Portal 2 guys.
Near Portal 2. Middle of Portal 2 and 1 guys. We need help here.
Don't submit guys. Don't submit. Oh my god.
Well, if you submit, wala tayong magagawa. Just try
Okay
to...
lang yun.
If you're not submitting, please try to hold on to it.
Portal 2, marami na sila.
Oh, they're ganking. Grouping.
Thank you so
Guys,
much
I want
for pulling.
everyone, every single Serenity member to Portal 2 now.
Ito sila sa moon.
Portal 2,
Sa moon.
Portal 2.
Okay.
Japanese.
PvE players move to Dark Moon Monument.
Kapitan, drop mo yung party link mo para kay Charles. Si Charles
Tangina
yung
mo,
mahaba
daming
yung
tao
Japanese
dito.
link.
Alot on Dark Moon Monument. Stay away from Dark Moon Monument. Putang ina.
Marami sila dito.
Full moon guys. If you can see you are PvE, make your way to the full moon.
Highest count ha?
Hindi, ano lang, patakbo lang.
Patakbo. Don't submit ha?
Okay.
Don't submit on full moon. Waning Moon yata to
Go
eh.
Portal 2, go Portal 2.
Second
PvP.
one from right. Second one from right.
Waning Moon.
Waning Moon.
All PvP.
Guys, if you have stacks, submit on Waning Moon.
Like,
I can't guild pin. What the fuck?
Puta na, sakit ang magic.
Ang dami nila.
PvP,
Guys,
guys.
ang dami nilang ipon ha.
Sabi ni
Okay.
Sa likod.
Ay, sa guild chat.
All PvP guys, go stick together with the ball.
Ba't whining mo na agad? Paano nyo nalaman, pare?
Ang bilis
Mamaya
nga,
pa dapat
masyado.
yan.
Medyo,
Kada pumaga yan, no? 5 minutes.
ang ginagawa nung kalaban nila,
Nila akong highest count.
Mon, ang ginagawa nung kalaban
Ano
nila,
niya?
nagde-deposit sa lahat, pre, paunti-unti. Ay, no, tingnan mo,
sure.
nag-ano sila, oo. So, dinedepositan nila ng tig 100, oh.
Yung mga kalaban nandito lang sila sa Dark Moon.
Zayn lapit for devil. Fuck, come here.
Please,
Tricky, dikit.
together.
Jack. Zayn, come here.
Last win nahabol.
Nandito kami sa taas.
Gagi ka na. Ski, sumugod ka dyan ng merong 46.
Clear comms,
Name.
everyone RG at Portal 2. Everyone. PvE, PvP, everyone RG at Portal 2. Make your way exactly at Portal 2, guys. PvE or PvP. Ang gulo eh. Hiwa-hiwalay tayo. Portal 2, guys. Portal 2. PvE or PvP. Go to Portal 2. If you're dead, just teleport. If you're walking, if you're alive, just go there. Portal 2 now. Portal 2 now. Ito na ba tayo?
One of the Japanese group. Dying. No, don't die.
Alright, slowly walk towards Dark Moon. PvP, PvE, just kill everything that you can see. Dark Moon. We don't have to rush submissions.
Protect C32HC.
If you have stacks, stay behind the Zerg. We're gonna go as one ball. Alright, make your way to Dark Moon Monument. Now, you see this big Zerg? Wipe this. Wipe this Zerg now. Wipe everyone. Don't let them submit.
Protect C3.
I'm going in.
Wipe everyone. Wipe everyone. If you have a lot of stacks, stay behind. Let the PvP play. Just help on wiping everyone.
Wipe. Getting wipe.
Just keep on killing. Protect your allies. If you have a lot of stacks, stay behind. Stay alive.
Don't go far. Don't go far.
Watch your
Don't
back,
go
watch
for-
your back. Always stay as a ball.
Stay as a ball.
Do not stray away from your ball.
Alright, everyone clear. What's the clue?
Look.
Watch out for just
Go down.
listen to
More
YZ
people here,
and
guys.
Colon and Ace for their calls.
Ay, they're regrouping.
Wala any updates?
Check inventory.
Huge Zerg up front.
5
Kill
minutes.
everyone.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Kill everyone. Heals up. Protect.
Japanese group keep submitting at what's this?
Yeah, let them
Waxing
submit.
Moon. I think it's what Waxing Moon. Not sure.
God.
Ay, fuck. I died.
You lost 50.
Uy, favorite ako nito, pre, oh. My God. Hinabol ako sa likod.
Just keep on respawning in Portal 2, guys.
Saan magsasubmit, guys? Alam niyo
Wala
na.
pa, hold lang muna.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Antayin niyo yung call ng submission.
Dalawang beses na ako namatay. 100 na nawala.
Dikit ka lang sa bola lagi. Dikit ka lang sa bola lagi. Huwag kang masyadong haharap.
Pwede ka nga magtago muna eh. Kung nagpi-PvE ka lang talaga. Tago ka lang. Kung may 100 ka na, tago ka na. Hintayin mo yung call ng ball nyo na yung clue.
Sige. Para saan yung mga clue na libro?
Doon mo malalaman kung saan yung tamang monument. Kasi kailangan kailangan yung i-compare lahat ng nag-farm, makikita nyo yung mga clue doon sa inventory nyo. I-check nyo, sabihin nyo, kunyari ikaw ang pinakamataas mo Waning, pinakamataas ng isa Dark Moon, tapos yung isa Waning uli, more likely yung Waning yung tama.
Okay.
Ganun, basta i-compare nyo across the board lahat ng pinakamataas sa inyo.
Okay, ano na muna tayo? Clear comms muna tayo. Nagko-combat sila ngayon
Just keep on fighting, keep on clearing.
We lost people.
Guys, keep your tornado. We need tornado. They have so much tank.
We're losing people.
Okay, RG back to 2, RG back to 2, get back. Pull back. RG back to 2. We're getting sandwiched by 2 guilds right now. RG back to 2, Portal 2. RG back to Portal 2. Keep your stacks. RG back to Portal 2. PvE on the way.
Compare nyo na ata.
Hey, where are you?
Okay, just keep on PvEing on the way. Back to Portal 2. Exactly above Portal 2.
Bazi,
Just
ilan na
giving
count
up
mo?
stacks right now.
Ano sa likod mo?
Move back to Portal 2, guys. Get back. Stop PvP.
Follow calls.
Stop PvP. Just move back to Portal 2.
Faster.
We're gonna get sandwiched. They're following us right now. All right. Huge Zerg in front of us. Let's fight this. This is away from the other guild. Fight this. Wipe everyone.
Likod.
Just fight this.
Stick to the ball.
Yeah, stick to the ball. Okay, they're getting wiped now. Pull back to 2 now. Pull back to 2. Not much enemies anymore.
I will help you.
Pull back to 2. We're getting sandwich again. Let go. Go back fast. Let go. Go back to 2 now. Other guild is here. We're gonna get sandwiched again. Get back to 2 now. Back to 2. Let go. Run back to 2. I wanna see the whole Serenity Zergon 2. Get back to 2. Let them fight. They're pushing us right now. Okay, they're fighting. Back to 2. Stay on 2. Hold on 2. Blue. Alright, I want everyone to check their inventories. Wait. They're still fighting.
High Season Moon. Pinakamataas.
High Season Moon.
26. So far sa akin.
Alright, check your inventories, guys. Just keep on defending.
High season din sa akin mata.
Alright, everyone make your way slowly to High Season Moon.
High season.
Where's that?
Yan, maganda na.
Alright, we're gonna go left. If you can see me, guys, go back, go left. If you can see me, follow the ball.
Going to TP1.
It's 10 o'clock. It's the 10 o'clock.
Go left. Alright, just go with the Zerg.
Upper left.
Make your way to High Season. Make your way to High Season right now. Wait lang, too big.
Go, faster.
Mapapaaway kayo dyan mapapalabang kayo dyan. Nag-aabang na sila dyan.
I will check.
Likod natin, nandito sila, hinahabol tayo.
Sige, let them chase. When we reach High Season, we submit, then we PvP. Submit and then PvP.
Tornado nyo yung kalaban wala.
Yung mga walang hawak, i-block nyo yung way. Kung yung mga walang hawak,
alright,
i-block
now,
nyo yung way.
go ham. PvP now. Get all of their stocks. Go ham. Your favorite shit. Go ham.
Pasko ngayon, mag-ham kayo.
Go ham until my next command. Go. Kill everyone.
Ang inang Pasko yan.
Farm pa din. Pwede pa yan.
Hindi, sila muna yung farm namin, pare.
Pwede.
Go ham. In front. Huge Zerg up front. Huge Zerg.
Nice. Oh,
Exact. Waxing Moon, guys. Waxing Moon. Huge Zerg and Waxing Moon. They have a lot of stacks. Kill every single fucking one. There's no Merry Christmas for them. Kill them.
There's no worry. Nice one.
Sabihin mo pare, dirt na Germs.
Kill the motherfucking
Okay,
germs.
nagkakalasan na sila.
Behind.
Okay, don't
Okay,
follow.
behind. Look
Follow.
behind. Protect the full moon. Protect full moon.
Go.
They're gonna try to submit on full moon. Protect full moon. Kill everyone that's trying to submit.
Yes.
Yes, tangina mo.
Yan, ganyan lang.
300 yung hawak kasi yun.
Go lang.
Ina nun, no?
Keep on fighting. Tornadoes on point. Tornadoes on submission.
Yes.
Tornadoes on submission.
Yes.
Guys, spread out a little.
May 90 tumatakbo. May 90 tumatakbo. Good kill.
Tornadoes on submission, guys. If you have more than 10 stacks, rush to submit.
Stairs. Packet sila, packet.
Alright, it's closed.
Meron sa likod, 129, no?
Kaya yung tornado pag nagsagbit siya.
Assassin squad. Hunt for high stacks. Assassin squad.
Asan ka pa? Sino pangalan mo?
Nandito ako sa submission.
Next clue. Check your inventory. What's the second highest?
Highest lang yan.
Highest lang, oy.
Walang
Yan,
second,
yan,
walang
yan.
second
Wala na,
highest.
sarado na pare.
Wala. Wala kang stock.
Hindi, meron ako.
Kill them.
Stairs.
Sarado.
Alright, just keep on spamming tornadoes and flash waves on submission.
Okay guys, there are so many na. Putang ina.
Farming niya. Dami. What the fuck?
Ina to, na to, pre.
Get back to portal 1. But if you die, back to portal 1. If you're alive, run away back to portal 1. RG portal 1.
Buhay pa. Actually, makapal pa dito, Sage. Makapal pa.
Sige.
Bukas na ulit,
If you die,
Bukas na ulit.
oh, go ham on point.
Okay.
Wala na akong mana.
RG
Nangyari na, ubusan ng mana.
Patayin niyo ako, wala na akong mana.
respond to portal 1. Just keep on try hunting for high points. Assassin squad, do your thing. High points. Focus on high points.
Assassin, regroup na ulit. Dito na tayo. Meron na tayo objective. Come.
Take lead, sarap.
May objective na tayo.
Hunt
Halika
for
na
high
kayo,
points.
dito na kayo.
It's pointless din na hampas lang kayo ng hampas dito.
Nandito ako. Regroup tayo.
Hunt for high points now.
Reso mo na yan, RPX. Para makatutok ka balik.
Okay, this
Meron na isa sa taas, 136.
Help na dito, help dito.
140 doon nasa taas natin.
Guys, if you can see, grapple now. Everyone grapple now. Grapple.
Go.
Grapple. Let go of point. Grapple up. Fight on the stairs. You see this 120 guy? Kill that bitch. Grapple up. REE3. Look for REE3.
Dito kami.
Tornado, RPX. Huwag mo sila pasabitin. May 100.
Patay. Patay 120.
Tornado on sun.
Nice. Keep killing
Demon
them.
na to.
At stairs, keep killing.
Ay, wala na pala akong kalaban
Keep
dito.
killing them. You're wiping na.
Kinatagal ang laban dun. Wala namamatay yung bata.
Ang ina mo, Ace, inubos ko heal ko sa'yo.
Nice.
Okay. Clear comms. We have info. If you die, stay on portal 1. If you die, don't TP yet. If you die, stay on respawn. If you die, stay on respawn. We have info. Everyone try to die now.
30 seconds.
Yeah, try to die. Portal 3 fast. Everyone go to portal 3 now. Clear everyone. We have info. Go to portal 3. Kill portal 3 and then submit on the nearest point.
Go guys.
TP to portal 3.
12 seconds?
10 seconds. Did we won?
Tama ba? Ang high season? Let's see.
Yes. 869.
Oh, high season nga.
Galing!
Good job.
Pasahod si Mayor.
Very good.
May sahod.
2 wins today. Very nice, guys.
Ilan kuha niyo?
Click
mo nga RPX yung chest na nakuha niyo.
Ano? Bulbul yung mga kagild natin hindi bini.
Okay.
Hindi pa mahati pa yan eh.
189 each member.
17.
Ganun talaga, wala.
Ang galing na gold sa Muhay.
Great na record mo yun? Yung dying na yun?
Ha? Kung naman tayo doon, ubusan ako ng mana eh.
Yung undying na
Good job, nerds.
Hindi.
Ilan nakuha
Ay,
niya?
puta, ganda content to.
16k, 16k.
Zombie.
16k? Lahat nakuha niyo?
Oh, 16k.
Wala silang ano,
Kanina
wala
ka pa
silang
nagsasubmit
nag-deposit.
sa high season, di mo naman sinasabi sa amin na doon mag-submit.
Hindi iba yun. Hindi